This year we're bringing several new exciting opportunities for stylists and salon owners to increase their profitability through service and through take-home sales in salons. We're introducing our men's line, Mitch and Maverick, excellent for hair, skin, and shaving, as well as beard care. We've got our Demi-Color and our Color Craft, two new color opportunities that will absolutely add amazing financial opportunities and profitability to the salon bottom line. So excited to be able to bring these to the salon industry here in the UAE, GCC, and all of MENA. I have to tell you that I've been in the beauty industry for 47 years. I've worked with Paul Mitchell for over 30, and I have found that Nazih Group is one of the greatest partners that one could choose to have to work with in the marketplace. They're very, very dedicated and committed to the beauty industry and to the salons and stylists. One of the biggest and most important parts of that is I think that Mr. Nazih himself is a hairdresser, so he understands the beauty industry from a totally different perspective. If they're in beauty world, we're in beauty world.